Today class is about descending and ascending wheelchair skills. When you are descending down with the gravity, wheelchair will be going in the slope. So you need not to push it. What you have to do is slowly control the hand drum so that it will be going in a very similar manner. When you are trying this, don't do it in a abrupt manner. Don't hold it in a jerky moments. Make it as a slow. Sit straight, don't go forward so that sometimes your trunk may fall forward. So sit straight. If possible, you can do the chin tucking also so that your trunk will be in a stable condition. When descending, just control the hand drum so that it will be slowly going. Normally what happens, because it is going in a slope, the wheelchair tend to go in a faster manner, but you have to control it. When we are doing ascending, the opposite of it. When you are descending, you have to keep your trunk in a straight position. But when you are trying to do a ascending, you have to do flexion. That is, you have to lean forward so that your weight will be on the front of the wheelchair. Why we want to do this is, when you are going in a anti-gravity position of a slope, you can see the front wheels, the caster will be tipping. So normally if you are not careful enough or not trained in doing in the slope, the wheelchair will be fall backward and you may end up with injury. So when you are training first time, you have to get with the supervision and you have to put all your weight forward. And one more thing is anti-tipping wheel. The safety measures in all wheelchairs should be added is anti-tipping wheel, so that even it is tilted back, it will be prevent falling. There are some alterations in wheelchair skills. When the people have difficulty in ascending forward because of lost balance or the leg spasm or some other conditions, what you can do is you can teach them to descend backwards. Even for a safety concern, if passively you are getting down with a person in a wheelchair, you can go backwards so that unknowingly they may not fall forward. So what you have to do is descend backwards. Turn the wheelchair and in reverse you just put them down so that they won't have any issues. When you are ascending, the first thing, as I told you, here they can see the person is moving opposite, not like that. Both the hands should be in a same way and your trunk should be forward. The second alteration is, if the person is having difficulty in ascending in a forward manner, that is, when you are ascending forwards, you are not able to keep your trunk forward, or if your wheelchair is tilting back. So if you have a fear of falling, you can try backward technique. The backward technique, the first thing is you will be stable enough, the tilting won't be there, so there is less chance of injury. So these are all the three types of differences in wheelchair and ramp.